Look at the sonar reading here. It matches the container specs. Copy that. Adjusting the navigation grid for the descent path now.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Upper corner integrity looks compromised, heavily pitted. The hinges down here are completely covered. No way to open this without heavy equipment. Lifting point looks secure. Status confirmed. Copy that. Scanning structural integrity now.
All right, lift her slowly now. Easy tension. Tension set. Coming up. Steady, steady. Watch the cables.
Beam focused on the lower hinge. Structural integrity looks compromised at frame 4. Mark it on the tablet. Hidden for decades, this Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Series pickup slowly succumbed to the corrosive embers of salt and moisture. Take the weight. Steady lift on the main hook.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. Copy that. Steadying the load. Down slow, down slow. She's on the deck. Copy that. Secure the load.
Keep the tension on the winch. Ease it down slowly. Copy that. Steady descent on the ramps. The LED beam reveals the extent of the damage. Heavy corrosion, severely oxidized paint, marine algae, and decades of salt deposits. Moisture damage is evident throughout the cabin floor. The technician gently lifts the harness, revealing brittle wiring and severe marine corrosion. Using a low-pressure air system, the technician carefully dries the stabilized protective coating on the Land Cruiser's chassis.
All right, clear on this side. Keep it coming up. Ugh. Tension looks good. Almost there.
Final bolt torque to specification.
Yep. Sequence complete. Looks good.
Ready for inspection.
Okay, slowly lowering.
Watch the passenger side mount. Clearances are tight. Hold it steady. Does that bed rail sit flush on your end? Almost. I need to adjust the alignment tool slightly to the left.